Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be setting up a brand new week. I'm going to be organizing next week within my planner, which is the 7th through the 13th. So we're going to be setting up my planner. This is my catch-all planner for this day. I love to use time blocking in order to organize every single week that I have. And we are going to be using some stickers. So I have been getting back into kits every now and then. I'm thinking of creating some of my own for my shop, but these stickers are from Sweet Bean Plans. And when I saw this little sticker sheet, I thought it would be a great addition to this upcoming week. So we're going to be using that. I also have some other stickers here for my to-do planner because I do have to set that one up as well. And these are from Creativity and Ink, I believe is the name. I recently just went to the Texas Planner Babes conference and I picked up a bunch of different sticker kits. So you're gonna be seeing some different sticker kits for the next probably couple of weekly plan with me's. So I'm gonna start off with my sidebar, and I really need to look at what I would like to film for next week, but I'm going to add in some stickers on my sidebar first. And I also need to date my planner. So let me zoom you all in. So we have the 7th through the 13th, and on my sidebar here, I am going to be adding my YouTube schedule. Oh, and it does not look like you can write. No, I cannot write with a gel pen. So I'm going to pull up the sticker and I'm going to add one of my colorful boxes because I do like to write on my stickers. So I use the sidebar of my weekly planner in order to set up my social media overview. This is a place where I just can lightly write down all of the videos and things that I would like to do throughout the week. I usually will refer to my social media section, which has a list of all of the ideas that I have, and then I will make a plan for the week. This makes it really easy for me to glance at my sidebar instead of having to flip to my social media section. Okay, my sidebar is done. Now we're going to start on the days of the week. Let's start on Monday. This is where I time block my schedule. I'm writing out everything that I believe is going to happen and what time I think it's going to happen, but I usually will have my overview within this planner, and then I have my to-do planner, which I'm going to show you in a bit. And in that planner, I will write out more specific details. So this helps me to easily and quickly see what time I need to do certain things or where I might need to be at a certain time, and it makes it really easy for me to stay on top of my schedule. My days have been so swamped that I have not been able to pre-plan. So now I have been planning on Monday mornings, which I don't usually like to plan on Mondays because I like to do it before the week starts. Like, I've already had half of these meetings and I'm here right now. But doing this on a weekend has not really been working out ever since we launched our church. It's been harder to do things on Sundays because Sundays I'm usually at church. And so I've been having to plan on Monday mornings. I'm getting a little bit more used to it now though. So I have to bring my car in for an oil change on Tuesday. So I'm gonna mark that off. My daughter started gymnastics, so I am going to add in her classes on my schedule as well. I'm still gonna track breakfast right at that 8 a.m. And then we'll do dinner down here. So now I am just mapping out everything that's happening for the rest of the week. I am usually bouncing back and forth between church meetings and organized money meetings, organized money orders, and things that I have to do for church. It's usually back and forth all throughout the day. I used to have set days where I would do set things, like I would batch my day. So I might do all of the things that I need to do for church on one day, all of the things that I need to do for organized money on another day, but that has not been working out. I think it's just because of the time constraint of different things that I need to do. I don't have the capacity to dedicate a full day to one particular thing or another. So for the most part, I have been just fluctuating my days, and sometimes in the morning I am doing organized money stuff. Throughout the day I might be doing empowerment stuff, and then I may go back to organized money toward the end of the day. That's basically how it's been happening. And then Saturdays are dedicated to family and home things. Now this has definitely been an adjustment for me because I am so used to having a way more structured day to where I can decide exactly what I'm going to do at what time I'm going to do it. And nowadays it's way more flowy, but I am getting used to it. I don't have a choice, so we have to do what we have to do. I love this spread, even though it is not fall at all. This is so summery. I don't usually follow trends when it comes to my stickers because I don't use them enough in order to consistently use them, I guess, as they were designed. So I will use summer stickers in the fall and winter stickers in the summer. Doesn't bother me much. But I've basically used all the stickers on this sheet. I do have a couple of smaller dots here, but I don't want to add those. I am going to flip over to my to-do planner. So last week in my to-do planner, I spilled water. This has never happened to me before. I could not believe that it happened, but I guess there's a first time for everything. I just let the page dry, and I am still going to use it for this upcoming week. I am going to still set up these stickers on this spread, and we're going to just decorate this one. My to-do planner is one that I usually will use on the go, which means that I will set up the stickers, but I will leave it blank. I write in this one as I need to, just kind of write down the different things that are happening throughout the course of my day. So we are just going to add in some stickers, which I love these stickers. There we go. Box stickers are some of my favorite. Decorating and adding header stickers to my planner is definitely making me think about adding more sticker kits into my planner. I don't think I realized how much I missed using decorative stickers every now and then until I did this spread. So it's definitely I need to put in rotation. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it every single week just because of my life, but I do want to do it more often, at least as often as I possibly can. We have some habit tracker stickers, so I am going to use them for walking, which my goal is to walk every weekday. And I'm going to use the second one for posting. So within my to-do planner, I am usually adding the same tasks that are in my catch-all planner, but I am adding additional details to this planner. So I will add in the video that I want to film, for instance, but then I'm also going to add in that I need to film, edit, upload, thumbnail, all of the additional details of things that I need to do, so I can check off where I am in the process. This helps me to see exactly where I am instead of if I have completely finished it or if I haven't done it at all. It kind of gives me a little bit more additional options of things that I need to do. So I like to write in the additional details within this planner and check it off so that if I'm referring to my catch-all planner, I can also refer to my to-do planner and see exactly where I am in the process. I will usually add additional to-dos in here as well, certain small things that may not be added into my catch-all planner because sometimes I just don't have the space to add in all of those additional details, but I can add them into this planner. So errands I need to run, additional small things that I need to do, and it helps me to easily be able to see across what I need to do for the organized money and what I need to do for church. All of it is within this planner, and even personal to-dos will be in this planner as well. So it really does serve as a hub as well of all the tasks that I need to complete. Okay, so this is the final look at my to-do planner. I have in all of the videos that I'm going to film for the week and all of my to-dos. And like I said, I usually will fill this out as the week is going on. So that is it. I hope that you all have enjoyed this weekly plan with me, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.